kiss. And I'll give her a wonderful round of applause. Now, I think it's time for our special royal princess oath. Would you like to say it with me? Yes. I say it every morning when I wake up. So you all my princess friends. Can we all put our hands on our hearts like a mission? Can we all put our hands on our hearts? Yes. All right. Can we put our hands on our hearts? Wonderful. All right. And now repeat action. Let all hearts reign. Let all hearts reign with love and grace. Let joy and music fill each space. Let hope and truth both see you through to make your royal dreams come true. Everyone give yourselves a round of applause. Thank you so much for having me over. It was wonderful to be here for your birthday, Princess. Yes, of course. But unfortunately, I have to go to my prince now. All right, thank you so much for a wonderful birthday. Can I have one more hug from everyone before I go, or one at a time? Oh, thank you so much, Princess. Oh, thank you so much. Oh, thank you. Thanks for a hug, Princess.